Darling. Yes, Mama. No, not you, darling. Not you, younger one. I mean, Lily. Lily, that's the one. Lily. Why, this TV show is awesome. I love Peppa Pig. Oh, yes, Mum. Snack time, darling. Snack time? I knew it. But I thought I already had snack time. Oh, well, let's go. No, I forgot what's your nickname. Snack time, sweetie pie. Oh. All right, coming, Mum. All right, it's my snack time. Wow, look at this. Peppa Pig brownie. Ice worries. Which one do we go for first? I go for this one. Save the best till last. Actually, no, I go for this one. Save the worst for last. Well, it's not the worst. They're both really, really nice. So, let's go put this in here. Put that at the top like that. Let's go. Ice worry. I'm only 4 years old, but everyone says that I sound like I'm 6 years old. It's so nice. Darling, sweetie pie, give me that. You don't eat it like that. Eat it like a normal person for once. Eat it like this. See, put it in your mouth. Suck and pop. Or you can take a bite. But I like to suck and pop more. Or just lick it. Don't have to go like that. All you have to do is go like this. Or this. Or this. Oh, it's got your stank breath all over it now. Oh, I feel like a big girl. This is so fun. Do you like my PJs? A mix match. That one's Buff Heart and that one's Disney. But still, they're so cool. Okay, done, Mummy. I'll just put it in here. Now let's go get my... Done. Now let's just open it. First I need to put this rabbit in the bin for Mummy. She's always nice to me. Oh, thank you. No problem. That's the spirit. I think that one's actually better. Done, Mummy. Now I'm going to put it in here. Now time for my Peppa Pig brownie. That's what it looks like. Okay, so this is what my brownie looks like. Yeah, look how big girl it is. Oops. I dropped it on the floor, but don't worry, remember the 5-second rule. Plus it doesn't have any germs on it because I didn't have time. Mm. 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 Put it in the bin. Yum, thank you, Mummy. Oh, no problem, sweetheart. You're so cute. Thank you, Mummy. Now let's go watch Peppa Pig again. Yay!